play it. Yeah. In this white door, this side. Yeah, come through. Through the doorway, yeah? There's one in the right door, on the right there, by the little red barricade. Keep coming to me. There's one in both doors. Keep coming up, keep coming up. Who's down this corridor? Yeah. Keep going, keep going. This door right here. Yeah. There's someone in there. I think we cleared out. I can't see anymore. In there, in there. Go. Crossing, crossing, crossing. Go, go, go. Okay, right. I've got left covered. You want to go in a go right? Go. Look to your right, anything? Some stairs there. Go to the wall. Another door. Shout through any red. Any red through there? Yep. Reds? Reds? Red team? Come through. I haven't cleared left. I haven't cleared in there. If you can go in there. In left. I haven't cleared in left. I've just come through this side. If there's any way. If not, stack up. Stack up. Around the corner, go. Look through the window. Anything there? corner.
Yeah, straight ahead.
I reckon go run across and right.
You need to go on the right side.
Look behind you. Anything that way? I'm coming. Hit! The player coming out! Someone at the bottom of it. There is someone at the bottom of this clip, by the way. Red team? Yep, red team. Yep. 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 Escalator room's on the left, I believe. No. Dead player coming out. Dead player. Oh, bit of a stitch. I don't think we cleared the back corner. Maybe over that way. Do you know where? Right there. As you look through here on the left. Red team, there's a guy in this room here. Second left. Second left. I've got a guy down the very end and a guy in the second left room. Two guys on the corner. Which red team? Yep, second one in here, in this second room. I think he's going to go on the right, and there's two down the end. Yeah. Down the very end. In that one there. Yeah, yeah. They're right down the end of there, where are they? Don't stand up. Where are they? Back on the right? Okay, stay down.